Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check spam calls on iPhone. And here's how it is done. If you think you are getting spam calls, there are a couple of things you can do. First, open your phone app. One way to identify spam is by looking at the caller ID. If a call is marked as telemarketer, it indicates that it is likely spam. To enhance this feature, go to Settings and scroll down to Phone. Here, you'll find call blocking and identification. Tap on that, and you can enable business call identification. This will allow your iPhone to display verified caller information from Apple and your carrier, like AT&T, which helps identify who's calling and whether it is spam. Next, go back to the phone settings and tap on SMS and call reporting. Depending on your iPhone's extensions, you can turn this feature on to help identify spam calls more effectively. This will flag suspicious calls, ideally preventing them from ringing through. Again, when you check your phone app, you will see calls marked as telemarketer or other identifiers, letting you know which ones are flagged as spam. You can choose to ignore or decline these calls. And that is everything you need to know about how to check spam calls on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.